Hey everyone, in today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first of all, have to do is dive into busy.com, as you can see. So this is the home page. We have here various information, but before, what is busy? So first, what is an LLC or limited liability company? So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnerships. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So this is what is LLC, and right now let's click it over on corporate now. So the first step we have here is to choose your entity type. Firstly, I will choose LLC. Also, we have here other things like choose your state. Of course, I will choose Texas, as you can see. And if we scroll down, we have here three packages. So we choose the one you want, or the one you need, or the one you have. So we have the first one. It's basic. It's for free, and you have just to pay $300 about state fee, and it's 4 weeks. You have here preparing and fund articles of organization, free first year registered agent service, and we have also online access dashboard, business banking account, all for business tax consultation. About the standard one, we have it's $199 plus $300 of state fee, and it's 4 weeks. We have the same of the first one, but we have also business tax number and operation agreement. Also, we have lifetime compliance alerts, limited phone and email support, and also we have errors from 2553. And we have the last one, it's the premium package. So it's for $299 plus $300 state fee, and it's for 2 days. We have the first things, it's expedited fund and business contract templates that we don't have in the first. And also we have here domain name plus business email. And if you're done, you click off get started. If you choose your package, then we have here company information. You have to write your LLC name. For example, I will write Mike, and designator I will choose LLC, and then I will click over next. About the second step that you have to, it's contact person. You have to write your first name, and then your last name, your email address, and you write your mobile phone. Then you click over. As you can see, we have then company address information. So we recommend using our virtual address service if maintaining your personal privacy is important. The state of Texas information documents collect and make publicly available both the business address of the entity as well as the personal address of the owners. So we choose the first one. It's professional business address and virtual mail service, but you have to pay $29 per month. And the second one, use my own address. So I will choose the second one. And if you scroll down, you have company address. You write your street address, your address here, your city, and you select your state also. And you have your zip code. Then you click over next, and you click over use enter it. Then we have here let's provide members information for my LLC. My LLC, it's me, my name, LLC. So we choose a number of members or owners. I will choose one because I work individually. And about this one, we have select if member is a person, or company select if member is a company. So I will choose individual because I work alone. Then you click over next after link your personal information. Then you have here registered agent information. About this one, you have just choose between assign Busy as my registered agent free for 1 year, and we have the second one, I would like to act as my own registered agent. So we choose the first one, and I will click over next. You have tax identification number information. An employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the heirs and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply and obtain your N from the heirs electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain your aim. So I'm a foreign individual and do not have a social security number. So I click over yes and I will click over agree. Then I will write my personal information here and then I will click over next again. About the steps setting up small business banking. So right now we have no account fees or minimums, up to 20 individual checking accounts to help you control projects, budgets, and taxes. Then we have replies, no problem issue, up to 50 Visa debit cards to keep your business moving, and we have FDC insured. So if you are interested, click over yes, I'm interested. Then we have tax strategy free consultation. So we will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper LLC tax election, commonly missed tax deduction, and we have business proclaim. So if you are not interested, we will click over I'm not interested at this time. Yes, I would like to receive this business tax consultation, so it's free, and you click over next. Then we have business licenses and permits. About this one, you have just to read this information, then you click over no tax. I will do the work myself. Yes, please mail the applications, but you have to pay $99. So let's click over this one, but you have to write this information as you can see. So I will choose the first one, then I will click over next. About this one, we have order summary for. So if you did a mistake, all you have to do is click over edit and you edit your personal information like contact info, and you will modificate like here. You have agent info, company info. I will verificate company address and contact info. So all of this is good and it's correct. And then I will click over next. And we have your billing information, and this is the last step. So we click over PayPal, or you can choose also credit card. Then we have credit card information. You can just link your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Then we have billing address here. You can just blank it and you're done with it. Then we have here additional explanation. As you can see, you can just click over here and get your answer. What is the cancellation policy whether can I edit my order after it's being placed? What happens after I pay? How can I track my order? So it's free, easy. It's just to click over here and you get your answers. Then if you're done with that, you have just to read these things. And if you're done with all this, so you choose your anti-type premium package also. And you click over I agree here and you click over complete and pay. So you have to pay 50 $599 for me, and that's it. You can just click over complete and pay. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in Texas. It's a straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it can be. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments section down below, and I will be happy to help and have a fantastic day ahead. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.